Hi, I'm the Cyber Sensei.
And I'm Sensei Chris Conover.
Our channel, the Cyber Sensei, is your complete free online martial arts program for children, teens, adults, and families so that you can get your black belt right in the comfort of your own home or anywhere in the entire world where you have access to YouTube. In this video lesson, we'll be doing the same side wrist grab, and it looks like this. So make sure you have a partner to work out with, a safe place to train, and you're ready to get started. All right, here we go. So number one, I'm gonna turn my wrist up to expose the gap between the thumb and the fingers right here. So you see this gap right here. Number two, I'm gonna reach up and grab the back of my hand. Number three, I'm going to step back and yank to the opposite side shoulder. Number four, I'm gonna slide up, point my elbow at my opponent. Number five, I'm gonna do a back fist to their face. Hey-ya! All right, let's do it again. So number one, I'm gonna turn my wrist up to expose the gap between the thumb and the fingers. So I'm gonna pull towards that gap right there. Number two, I'm gonna reach up and grab the back of the hand. Don't grab the top of the hand and then pull straight back because you're gonna punch yourself in the face. So make sure you grab the back of the hand. Number three, I'm gonna step back and yank. I don't want you to pull, I want you to yank the arm, like yank it right out of their grip. Yank really, really hard. Number four, slide up and make sure that elbow is pointing right to your opponent. And number five, we're gonna back fist, pow, right to the opponent. All right, let's do it again. So number one, wrist up to expose the gap. Number two, grab the back of the hand. Number three, step back, yank. Number four, slide up, point the elbow. Number five, back fist, hiya. All right. Okay, now it's Sensei Chris's turn. All right, number one, he's gonna turn the wrist up to expose the gap where my thumb and my fingers come together. Number two, he's gonna reach up and grab the back of the hand. Number three, he's gonna step back with his foot and yank really hard. Number four, he's gonna slide up and point his elbow right towards my face. Number five, back fist. Hey-ya! Well, we're almost done with this lesson, so here's a quick preview of what you'll be learning on the next lesson, which is a double arm hold down. Well, we're almost done with this lesson, so here's a quick preview of what you'll be learning in the next lesson, which is a double arm hold down. Well, that brings us to the end of this lesson. Here's what to do next. Number one, go ahead and watch this video all the way to the end because there's a direct link to the next lesson. Number two, if you haven't done this yet, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, as this will give you access to our self-defense video library and our White Belt to Black Belt program library. Number three, go ahead and click the share button right below us, as I'm sure that you have friends and family that could also benefit from free martial arts and self-defense lessons. And number four, go ahead and give us a like or make any comments you might have, and we'll see you on the next lesson. I'm the Cyber Sensei.
And I'm Sensei Chris Conover.
One clap.
Cyber Sensei.